What is up, everybody? It's Tom from Tech Time, and today I got a quick video on a glass screen protector for the iPhone 8 Plus. This says 7 Plus, but obviously the same exact design, same size, same camera cutouts and everything like that, so this will work. Today, dropped the 8 Plus, picked it up, and blow, I thought it was cracked, thought it was destroyed, prayed that it was just a screen protector, checked out the screen protector, and it was just a screen protector. So peeled it off and gonna slap another one on. That's why you do want to have some sort of protection on your phone. With these phones being completely glass, front and back, I use some sort of a case to protect the back, and then something on the front, either tempered glass or some other type of, the TPU wet installed rubber. But with these iPhones, it makes it pretty easy to use tempered glass. They don't have the curved screens like you do with the Samsung and some of the other phones out there. So it makes it easy to use a tempered glass, and there's lots of them out there. This one right here is by Tissue Me or something like that. This is the Pro Glass. Comes in a metal container, different design. Gives you the instructions in the back, and it comes with a little installation tray. For me, that makes everything so much easier. I just did a video on a screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S8. It came with an installation tray, and boy oh boy did it make my life that much easier. So let's get into it. You're gonna get your typical stuff that you get with a screen protector, but I've used this brand screen protector quite a few times. The thing about them is you can get them online. I'll leave the link for Amazon, but you can also pick them up all the time in Marshalls, TJ Maxx. They're always on their little electronics rack right near checkout, and they're like 10 bucks. This was 10 bucks for a 2-pack, I think, something like that. But you can also pick it up on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. So it gives you the 4-step quick application. You get step 1, you put their applicator on. Step 2, you clean the phone with their included microfiber. Step 3, you peel the film. Step 4, you apply the glass, and it's as simple as that. So you get a little thing right here. You get the application, then you have a little QR code that will show you how to apply it, but I don't need to. I've done it before, so I'll just slide this off, take this off, and there you go. You're gonna have this, slides right on the bottom, just like that, and it makes everything that much easier. So right here you got, thanks for purchasing Pro Glass. Scan the QR code below, watch the exclusive video to perfect Pro Glass installation. We don't need that. Just peel out what we have inside. So that is it. Right here is your glass. You have a microfiber towel right here with their logo imprinted in it, Pro Glass. Then you have a wet wipe, and you have a dust removal sticker. So these dust removal stickers work pretty good. I actually just used a different brand company the other day with my Samsung Galaxy S8, and it came with like a cellophane, and I think that was a little bit easier to use. I like to see more companies implement that style, but these also work good. This is your glass. You're going to take this out of the little paper that it comes with, and this is easy. You just got a one quick peel, and you're going to end up putting it down. So that's pretty easy. Let's get this thing cleaned up. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a lot of fingerprints on there. Open this up. Let's get this baby out. There we go, finally. Nice little wet wipe. Get the screen nice and clean. So if you live in a house that has a ton of dust, or you live in an area that allows a lot of dust, and your summertime, you get your windows open or something like that, you can always go into the bathroom and you run a hot, steamy shower, allow for some moisture to get in the air and encapsulate all the dust, and it makes installation a lot easier. You're not going to deal with the dust. So that's just one tip. I'm sure you've heard of it if you've installed enough screen protectors. So let's do like a little test run. That's going to line up perfect. Let's take this, wipe this off again one last time, and make sure you do it in the right lighting so that you have some kind of reflection where you can see any dust. So that did not work out too good. Just pulled the tab and ripped it right off. But there we go. Got it. And then you take this, you bring it down, line it up with your applicator, and then you just drop it on. That did not work out the best. Spin this sideways. It's not as easy as doing it regular as when you're doing it on film. So it definitely makes it a little harder to do it on video. There we go. We got that on like so. And then you just rub it in, get all the bubbles out. And that could take a little while depending on the type of screen protector, but you're gonna have to, just work out all the bubbles, push them out. Some of them adhere, over an hour or two, but most of them you can get out right away. Eventually they all will come out. The one thing I do notice on the iPhones, because the iPhones do have a little bit of a curved glass, is that on the edges you get some sort of like rainbowing sometimes, because it does curve off a little bit on the edges. But that's never been an issue when you put the cases on. For me, you don't really notice it. And the extra protection of having a glass screen protector, as I came to find out today, is definitely worth it. So there you go. Screen protector's on. Perfect. No issues. Cutouts line up nice. Everything lines up nice. And then you can still slap a case on. No issues at all. So there you go. Quick, easy installation. This thing comes with a little applicator helper, and it does help. Like I said, it's just not as easy doing it on camera, over a camera and stuff like that. So this is the Sumi Pro Glass. I'll leave the link in the description. Protect those phones. Do not break the glass. Do not have to pay to have your screen fixed. You do not want to waste the time and the hassle of being without a phone for a few hours or a day. It's not worth it. Anyways, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys all later. Peace.